Hey guys, sometimes you may face issue when you want to assign a page in Magento. I'm showing you in Magento 1.9.3. Okay, and this way you can assign any page in your home page. So let's go to system, then click on configuration. Now click on web from the general tab. Let's scroll down, then you will see this type of box, default pages. Okay, just select any page what you want to assign for your site's home page, and then save config, and finally clear cache. Okay, so this way you can do this thing. I mean, you can assign any page in your home page. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you can make a comment or a like or subscribe in my channel. So thanks for watching. See you soon.